What's up everyone? I was on location with Unistellar and they flew a bunch of us content creators out for an incredible trip. We had a mixed group there, 3 of us were tech influencers and the rest were about astronomy. And you can imagine the dynamic. The astronomers were absolutely geeking out and we tech guys were getting a crash course in celestial navigation.
You can readjust it perfectly to the mountain.
Right.
Even if you're just like looking
Let me try that again. Yeah.
Look at this.
We were there to check out their new product, the Unistellar ENVISION Smart Binoculars. And while I was there, trying not to embarrass myself. So see Ursa Minor, some name I can't pronounce. Polaris. There were 3 key things that stood out to me. First, this was the game changer, the target lock sharing mode. We could spot something amazing, a specific star, a landmark, or even a rare bird, and lock that target to the exact location with someone else. The guided arrow then appeared in the field of view, leading them directly to the same spot we were looking at, without either of us having to lose focus. Like when you're looking through it, you see an arrow pointing to a point of interest, so you just kind of follow it until you get there.
Could you tell me the name of one of the mountains you actually see?
So Talman Mountain. This is a huge step from yelling, no, a little left, or no, over there, or, you know, you get the point. I need some of the space experts to give me some pointers.
Yeah, so you can get that. And I'd be curious about the double galaxies. So you've got M81 and M82 in that dark spot right there.
These names.
The second thing that blew my mind was disconnect mode. That's what I'm calling it, at least. As some of you know, I love the outdoors, I love to go camping, I love to unplug, and I recently got a Jeep and a plan to take that out on the trails. And I do this all to just get away from all the digital noise. The ENVISION binoculars are perfect for that. While they have incredible augmented reality features, we could also use them as a premium classic binoculars with all the AR features that are turned off completely, or you could turn them back on. You can see nature and the points of interest without needing your phones, which is a big plus for me because when you're out in the wild, I just want to be left alone from my smartphone notifications. The AR display is basically what uses the battery up. The binoculars themselves can operate without it. I like to think of it as a fancy pair of binoculars for when you just don't want to be bothered with technology, even if you brought technology with you. And the third feature, which bridges the gap between the expert astronomers and us newbies, was how the app worked with binoculars. While the binoculars could operate independently, we could use the app to share points of interest directly to the ENVISION device.
You will have the constellations here, and you can also follow the guide, the guiding feature. It should guide you towards the Andromeda galaxy.
This meant the expert could find a cool celestial or terrestrial object in the app and instantly send that information to the binoculars. It was like having a personal guide with us at all times, making this a fun, intuitive tool for exploration for everyone. This was a lifesaver for those who couldn't tell the Big Dipper from a salad bowl.
Try M13 over here.
M13?
Yeah, because M13's in the dark patch right there.
What is M13?
M13 is globular
Oh, I
cluster.
see. Yeah.
A few other things that I found interesting as a photographer and videographer is that they have a collaboration with Nikon, which is a big deal, showing the quality and the expertise behind this product. At just 2.65 pounds, they were super portable, a lot easier to carry on a hike than a bulky telescope, and they're versatile enough to use for both day and night exploration. Unistellar really created something special here, and for the first smart binoculars that combine true optical vision and augmented reality, whether you're an astronomer or exploring the night sky or a hiker scouting the landscape, ENVISION was designed for you. If you're interested in more information on how you can pick up a pair of these binoculars for yourself, I'll leave a link down below in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.
You're recording.
We do this for a living.
We do this for a living. Are you recording?
When was it? Did you turn it off before you gave it to me?
No, it's not. I was joking earlier. I was filming and I had auto flash in the middle of it.
So, are you recording now?
Yeah.
There's a red thing going?
Yeah. It's 1819.
I could definitely see why sitting would be a better idea.
I'm trying to shine it in the binoculars.
It's all good. It's for content.
Yeah.